There's a brand new way to reach customers on TikTok that most business owners still don't know about. If you've ever searched for something on TikTok and noticed an ad that perfectly matched what you were looking for, that's not a coincidence. That's a TikTok search ad. People who are already searching for exactly what you sell. So in this video, I'm gonna show you step by step how to use TikTok search ads to get your business discovered by the right audience at the right time. I'm Erin from Startup Wise, where we make business simple, especially for small business owners trying to grow online while keeping their budgets under control. What are TikTok search ads and why they matter? Let's start at the beginning. TikTok search ads are short, sponsored videos that appear inside TikTok's search results. So instead of interrupting someone's scroll while they're watching cat videos, you're showing up in front of someone who's actively looking for a solution. That's what makes search ads so powerful, and that means better clicks, better leads, and higher conversions for less money. How search ads actually work. When you turn on search ads, you're not creating a separate campaign. TikTok simply uses your existing video ads and gives them an extra placement. So your same video ad could now appear under the search bar with a small sponsored tag. So if your video talks about budget-friendly skincare, TikTok will automatically connect it to people searching for cheap skincare or skincare under $20 before you spend the $6,000 ad credit advantage. Before we even get to setting up search ads, you can actually have TikTok pay for half of your learning process. Right now, TikTok is giving new advertisers up to $6,000 in matched ad credits. That means if you spend $100, TikTok gives you $50 more. If you spend $1,000, they'll match $500 up to that $6,000 limit. It's their way of helping small business owners test campaigns safely. Why advertising here works. Now, if you scroll down on the TikTok ads homepage, you'll see 4 quick cards that explain why this platform is so powerful for small businesses. So first, why advertising here works. You can get discovered. So 2 out of 3 product discoveries happen on TikTok, and they attract new customers. TikTok users are 1.2 times more likely to explore new retailers and brands. Drive more sales. 61% of the TikTok audience have purchased something directly on TikTok or right after seeing it on TikTok. So that's data backed. TikTok users don't just scroll, they are exploring. So number 2 is find your audience. So your ideal customers are out there waiting for you. So TikTok Ad Manager makes it really easy to get the attention of highly engaged audiences at the best possible moment. So TikTok doesn't just target by age or gender, it learns through behavior. What people watch, replay, or share tells the algorithm what they care about today. That means your ads get shown to people most likely to buy, not random demographics. Unlock your creativity. You do not need a studio or a team. TikTok gives you templates, trending sounds, and access to its creative center. You can literally study what's performing in your niche and then build your own ad in minutes. So you can create top quality ads with their library of 100 customizable ready-to-use video templates. You can simply drop in your own photos, texts, logos, and background music to make them uniquely your own. Measure your impact. This is where the TikTok pixel comes in, a short code you place on your website. It tracks when someone clicks, adds to cart, or checks out, and that's how you know which videos actually drove results and not just views. All right, so now I'm going to go to create advisor account. I have already created an account, but what you would do right here, if you haven't made one already, you just enter your email and password. Make sure your password is between 6 to 20 characters. Check these boxes. The first one confirms TikTok's terms of service, and the second one just signs you up with updates, which you can always opt out of later. Then once you click continue on step 2, you'll choose your country, your time zone, and currency, usually US dollars if you're in the US. So because I already signed up, I am going to sign in with my account. All right, so after that, you'll land inside TikTok Ads Manager, your control room for your campaign. So you can create your campaign, select your objectives, you can do performance tracking and billing, and you'll also get a quick guided tour of your dashboard with tabs like campaigns, assets, reports, and finance. So just take a minute to click through everything and get familiar, then you'll be ready to plan your first first campaign. All right, so before we even get into budgets, let's make sure you know about something most advertisers miss. TikTok gives new accounts free matching credits to help you test. Inside your ads manager, go to the top bar, and then you're gonna wanna click settings. Under settings, click finance. Okay, so it hops onto this new site. Then you want to click promotions. All right, so once you click finance and promotions, you'll see a panel that looks like this. You get free credits, discounts up to $6,000 US. So for our status, it's October 2025. There's a new advertiser coupon, 50% off of eligible ads. So here's what that means. TikTok matches half of what you spend up to $6,000. There's no promo code, no forms. It just automatically happens for new advertisers this month. Down below, you'll see the valid dates over here. Mine says October 16th to November 15th because that's when I redeemed it. So yours might shift slightly based on your sign up date. So you'll see it show up as discount applied or credit used on your invoice once your campaigns start running. How search ads are automatically included. Once your account is active and you've claimed your promo credit, let's look at where search ads actually appear in your campaign setup. When you're creating a campaign, you'll reach a section called placements. So first, what's your advertising objective? For mine, it can be brand awareness and let's say traffic. You can do video views if you want more views, or community interactions, you want more engagement, but I am going to click traffic, and you'll notice it says something like placement, TikTok, include search results. So that's TikTok confirming your ad will automatically show up in both the main feed and search results. So there's no extra settings or toggles required. In older versions of Ad Manager, you had to manually switch on include search ads, but in 2025, TikTok made it simpler. Every campaign that uses standard TikTok placements now automatically includes search placements by default. How TikTok decides what searches you show up for. Here's what's different about TikTok search ads. You don't manually enter keywords like you would in Google Ads. TikTok's algorithm figures it out using your video content. So if your ad says affordable TikTok ads for small businesses, TikTok knows to show it when people search TikTok ads for business. It's all about giving the algorithm context, and the clearer your messaging, the smarter your targeting becomes. How to make your caption and hook search friendly. When someone searches on TikTok, your caption is your first impression. Short, clear, and keyword rich. Say how to get more leads using TikTok ads or affordable marketing for small businesses. TikTok even highlights the words in your caption that match what the user typed. TikTok's AI picks that up and ranks you higher for that exact phrase. When you start optimizing your captions and hooks this way, your videos begin performing better across all placements. Section 10, how search ads and feed ads work together. Think of your feed ads as the introduction, that first impression that makes people curious. Then your search ads are the follow-up, the second time they see you when they're ready to act. Most buyers don't convert the first time they see an ad, but when they search later, maybe hours or even days afterwards, your ad appears again right when they're making a decision. How to win even with a small budget. Here's something a lot of new advertisers don't realize. Because TikTok's algorithm learns from behavior, it just needs enough interactions to find patterns. Even if you're spending $50 a day, TikTok can still figure out who your ideal audience is. It just takes consistency. So yes, at first it might feel like you're paying just to learn, but those first few $100s are buying data that makes every future ad cheaper, smarter, and more effective. Common search ad mistakes. The first big mistake is not realizing that search ads are already active. You don't have to toggle anything on, but if you don't structure your captions, you're wasting that free placement. The second mistake is writing vague captions. TikTok's algorithm isn't psychic. If your caption doesn't reflect what your audience is actually searching for, your ad won't show up where it matters. Be patient, let the algorithm collect enough info before judging your results. Final thoughts. TikTok search ads are honestly one of the most underrated marketing tools for small businesses in 2025. They let you show up right when people are searching for your service. And when you combine that with TikTok's $6,000 ad credit, you're doubling down your chances of success without doubling your budget. budget. So if you're ready to get discovered by high intent buyers, go to startupwise.com/TikTok US, sign up for free, and activate your credit before October 31st, 2025. I'm Erin from Startup Wise. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.